Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I have discussed about the structure of human heart. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the double circulation of our heart. Now in my previous video, I have already mentioned that human heart acts like a pump. But in reality, it acts like two separate pumps, right? Two separate pump. It's mean the right side acts like one pump. This right side acts like one pump and the left side acts like another. Two separate set of pump. Right. Now this right side always deals with deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated means there is less to no oxygen, and the left side it is depicted. It is given red color because it is rich in oxygen. Right. Now, these two types of blood, they remain separated always. They never mixed up. Okay. So, deoxygenated and oxygenated blood remain separated. Right. So, the blood in our body flows through to independent circulation. To independent circulation. Fine. They are, that is, pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. Okay. So first we are going to discuss pulmonary circulation. Okay. Pulmonary circulation. This takes place in the right side of the heart. Okay. So deoxygenated blood, it enters the right atrium. Okay. A I am writing, A for atrium. From right atrium, it enters the right ventricle through tricuspid valve, as you know. From right ventricle, it goes to the lungs through pulmonary valve, right? Here is a valve called pulmonary valve. It goes to the pulmonary artery, and from pulmonary artery it enters the lungs. In lungs, the deoxygenated blood gets oxygenated, right? It gets oxygenated, and again it enters the left part of the heart, right? This oxygenated blood, here we can see from the pulmonary, this is the pulmonary circuit. From pulmonary artery, it is reaching the lung capillaries and it's getting oxygenated, right? After getting oxygenated, it will again enter the left side of the atrium. That is the left side of the heart. Now this is pulmonary circulation. Now we are going to talk about systemic circulation. Systemic circulation is also more or less same. Here blood enters the left atrium, then it goes to the left ventricle through bicuspid valve or mitral valve, right? Now from left ventricle through the aorta, it will go to the all parts of body. All body parts. Now in all body parts, remember this is the oxygenated blood. The left side of the blood is always oxygenated blood. Now in body parts, the oxygenated blood will get used, the oxygen will be used, and again it will become deoxygenated, right? Deoxygenated. This is the systemic circuit, right? So this deoxygenated blood, it will what? See here written, capillaries of the body and organ, and it will get deoxygenated. The oxygenated blood is used in all over our body. The oxygen is used and the blood is getting deoxygenated. Again it will enter the right atrium. So now this deoxygenated blood will enter the right atrium. Right. Now this is double circulation. Since blood moves twice through the heart, right? Blood moves what? Blood moves twice through the heart. Right? Through the heart. That is why it is called double circulation. Fine. That is why it is called double circulation. Okay. So in today's video, up to this much only. I am going to explain the topics in next video. Thank you.